Throughout this week, I've been reflecting on Jesus' experience as we proceed through the days of Holy Week. And we can see that each day moves in Jesus' experience from darkness to light. This Holy Thursday celebration is one which involves both light and darkness. The Last Supper must have been a moment of profoundly mixed feelings for Jesus. On the one hand, he was sharing dinner in most of the Gospels, Passover, with his closest friends. And so it was a celebration of the Lord's deliverance of the chosen people. It's a time for sharing food, wine, song, and prayer. And in the middle of this, Jesus offers his disciples and us his own body and blood. And so this is a moment of extraordinary light. But at the same time, Jesus knows what's coming very soon. After the Last Supper, they will go out to the Garden of Gethsemane. Jesus will pray. He will even pray to let the cup he is about to drink pass him by. So we know that Jesus must have felt mixed feelings about what was coming. This moment of great light, this moment of joy, was a prelude to a moment of seeming darkness with the arrest, the trial, the persecution, and the crucifixion and death of Jesus.